Hi guys, my name is Sergey and I'm a native Russian speaker. And today's lesson is going to be about weekdays in Russian and the phrases with weekdays. First of all, learn these 8 useful words, the weekdays in Russian and the word week in Russian. Monday, понедельник, понедельник. Tuesday, вторник, вторник. Wednesday, среда, среда. Thursday, Четверг, четверг. Friday, пятница, пятница. Saturday, суббота, суббота. And Sunday, Воскресенье, воскресенье. And the Russian word for week is Неделя, Неделя. Now let's learn a few useful phrases with the weekdays and the word Неделя. The first part of the phrase is это было, which means it was. You can also say это будет, which means it will be. Это было в понедельник, it was on Monday. Это было во вторник, it was on Tuesday. Это было в среду, it was on Wednesday. Please note that we sometimes change the endings of the words because in this case the noun среда takes another case. If you don't know what a case is, please check out this video. This is a quick overview on the Russian genders, numbers and cases. Это было в четверг. It was on Thursday. Это было в пятницу. It was on Friday. Another ending again. Это было в субботу. It was on Saturday. Это было в воскресенье. It was on Sunday. Of course, you can say это будет в понедельник. It will be on Monday. Это будет во вторник. It will be on Tuesday. Nothing will change, except for the meaning, of course. I mean, the rest of the sentence won't change. Now let's learn a few phrases with the word неделя, week. Это было на прошлой неделе. It was last week. I mean, it was in the previous week. The week before this week. The week before current week. Это было на этой неделе. It was this week, I mean the current week. Это будет на следующей неделе. We can also say это будет на будущей неделе. The same thing, just synonyms. It means it's going to be or it will be on the next week. Это будет через неделю. It will be in a week. That's it for today, and if you have any questions, please write in the comments below. I hope you liked this video. If you do, please hit the like button. And please don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss any of my new lessons. And see you next time. Bye!